Nexlev versus VidIQ versus TubeBuddy. If you're a YouTube creator, all three promise growth tools, but they work in slightly different ways. Nexlev is more of a beginner-friendly AI analytics and optimization platform. It helps you track channel performance, generate SEO ideas, and even suggest video topics. There's a free plan that lets you check basic analytics and limited suggestions, while paid plans sit in the mid-range at around $13 to $30 per month. But it does have a downside. Advanced keyword research and competitor tracking are limited compared to the others, so bigger channels might find it too basic. VidIQ focuses on SEO and analytics. You can research keywords, track trends, optimize video tags, and see competitor performance. Free plan exists but limits keyword searches and analytics depth. Paid plans are mid-range, around $15 to $50 per month, giving full analytics dashboards. But downside, for beginners, the interface can feel overwhelming, and it's more useful when you actively study trends than for simple suggestions. TubeBuddy works as a browser extension with video optimization tools, bulk processing, and tag suggestions. Free plan allows basic video analysis, tag suggestions, and templates. Paid plans start budget to mid-range, around $10 to $50 per month, depending on tier. But it has a downside. Some of the automation features feel repetitive for small channels, and full benefit comes with consistent use. So basically, Nexlev is simple and AI-driven, VidIQ is analytics-heavy, and TubeBuddy is optimization and workflow-focused. Many creators actually use them together. Which YouTube growth tool comparison should we break down next?